Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time stop in Roblox Studio. To begin, open your Roblox Studio project and locate the lighting service within the Explorer window. This service controls all environmental lighting, including the time of day. We will be adjusting specific properties within this service to achieve a static time. This is a fundamental step for many game designs, ensuring your world always looks exactly as you intend. One primary method involves using the clock time property. In a script, you would write game. Lighting, clock time equals 14. This sets the time to 2 p.m. The value represents the hour in a 24-hour format, so 0 is midnight and 23 is 11 p.m. By setting this property, the game's internal clock will remain fixed at your chosen hour, preventing any natural progression of day or night. Another effective approach is to utilize the time of day property. This property accepts a string value such as 18:30:00 for 6:30 p.m. You would implement this in a script as game. Lighting, time of day equals 18:30:00. This method provides granular control, allowing you to specify not just the hour, but also the exact minute and second. Both clock time and time of day achieve the same goal of freezing the time, but time of day offers more precision. To make this change permanent, place your script in Server Script Service or a similar location that runs once when the game starts. For example, a simple script containing game. Lighting, clock time equals 10 will set the time to 10 a.m. for all players. This ensures that from the moment a player joins, the environment's lighting remains fixed, providing a stable and predictable visual experience throughout their gameplay session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.